Niraj Seth, and I'm the Director and CEO of Durma India Private Limited. About my background, yeah, it's almost been 36 years that I have been involved in the sheet metal industry, and now I'm leading Durma India. Durma India has been recently formed in the month of September last year, so now it's a direct sales and service in India, and we are not dealing through any agents or dealers. The presence of Durma is quite extensive in India, almost more than 350 machines already installed, with even the high-end machines like panel bender already installed in Coimbatore. This machine already sold in Gujarat. So the market is ready. The market is ready for highly sophisticated automation, high volume production. The biggest advantage of Durma is we cater to the entire sheet metal industry. So right from blanking in terms of laser cutting machines or a direct punch press, in terms of bending, we have got press brakes with automatic tool changer, with robot bending. For high volume production, panel bender with a full B2B line. In terms of profiles, we have tube cutting machines and pipe cutting machines. In terms of making heavy engineering products, we have roll bending machines. Of course, apart from shearing and plasma cutting also. So we can provide a complete solution for the Indian sheet metal industry, and it's our privilege to be supporting the industry in India. Thank you.